Hi, I'm Michelle Nichols, a luxury collection specialist with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today's property, located on the prestigious Lighthouse Sound golf course, is a stunning and impeccable place to call home. This well-appointed 4-bedroom home has it all. Recently remodeled with luxury upgrades, perfect for entertainment and enjoyment. The residence offers inviting indoor and outdoor space that overlooks the Bay and Ocean City, Maryland skyline. The master bedroom suite on the main level complements a very open, inviting floor plan with an office, beautiful kitchen, formal dining, and great room. The upper level has a second family room with a possible wet bar and media room, as well as 3 additional bedrooms with private decks and additional coastal views. For those who favor the luxury lifestyle, both on and off the golf course, this is it.